Welcome to another Jim's Diecast and Toys. Today I want to show you guys some cars I picked up off of Temu just recently. They were from a company called Shantou. It's spelled Shantou. And I want to first start out by saying that I really don't know much about these vehicles because they're Chinese, and I'm not sure, what car's what. So I'll just show them to you guys, and if you guys know, let me know. And I'll start out with this three on the left. Now, what's cool about these? They got a Lego-like top, so you could separate them apart and stack them up on top of each other, which is pretty cool. So it's a pretty neat feature. We'll start out with this one over here on the left. Okay, we'll start with this lime green color car. And you could take the tops off. It's like a stand for the car underneath there, and you can screw the car to the stand, and it like mounts it there. So I'm not going to unscrew them all. I'm just going to leave them in these nice little cases for display cases. A nice looking car with stripe down the middle, nice black stripe, windshield. Yeah, I see some interior in there, and got like some black tires and rims. And then back here it says Refugo Racing. So that's the first one. Put it back in the case, and then I just stack them up. I'm going to put them over here for now. Excuse me. The second vehicle we have here is a garbage truck. It looks like a recycle truck. Let me take this cover off. You got to undo these little stickers there when you first open them up. Garbage truck, as I was saying. The back of it kind of turns around and moves and everything, and you can pull it back like you're dumping it. It says truck on the side. Decent looking tires. It's got a couple it looks like emergency lights or something on the top. Okay. And there's this one. Then the third one in that pack. This one looks pretty cool. Still got the plastic on it. And then I'm going to have to do the same thing here. Here's the next car. This is a pretty cool looking race car. It looks kind of more like a pickup truck, really. It kind of looks like a Dodge. Let's take it off and check it out. Those yellow rims look pretty tacky. Black wheels. It is a Viper, so yeah, that's got to be a Dodge. It's got what is that, an engine back there? I'm not sure what that is. Did the doors open? No. You got yourself some gray interior. Henson. That thing looks pretty cool. I just wish the tires were a little different. But not bad. I like that paint. Let's go on to the next one. Next one. It's got English on the side. It just says driver, Knuckle Breaker, Bergstorm or something like that. Then it's got those yellow rims again. Back end looks pretty cool. I'm not sure what kind of car it is. A Missouri. Like I say, I don't know much about these Chinese version cars because I can't read Chinese. Yeah, pretty cool. I like this car. Again, I just wish they had some different color rims. You know, that would look good in maybe gold or even black. It's got a number 8 on the top. Pretty cool. I like it. Nice looking little car. Let's go to the next one. Here we have, looks like a tow truck. Again, it says truck just like that other one. It looks like it's actually the same front end. If you look, everything on the front end's the same. It even has that the lights on the top. So yeah, it's a 2-hook tow truck. 24 hours a day. Let's get a closer look. And then see if these move. Yeah, these kind of move around. Not too much, just a little bit. Then you got your emergency lights on the top. All right, the next, excuse me, the next one in the set is this Storm, what's that say, Storm Chariot? One thing I noticed, these cars don't have the best front ends and stuff. They look more plastic, which they are a lot of plastic. This has the same like engine thing in it that that one vehicle had. Red rims. It's got gray interior. It's got a spark plug ad on the top of the hood. Pretty nice. And then we have this racer car. It says racer on the side. What's that say there? Kingdom. Looks like it's got black interior maybe. Let's take this off and look at it. Oh, I still got to rip this tag off. Yeah, those white rims don't look too bad. They look better than them yellow ones do. It's got racer on the hood. Pretty cool looking car. It's almost got like a Trans Am looking front end. Here's the final car. Got number 42 supercar. GT Super. Now these rims look pretty good. They got a chrome look to them. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like almost looks like a Camaro in a way. That's another Chariot. Let's take it off and look at it. Yeah, that's a nice looking car. That's probably the best one out of the whole set, the whole 6 or the 9 of them. Actually, there was only 8 because there was 2 were the same. Yeah, I like it. That's definitely the best car of them all. Like that green and yellow, kind of an actual lime color. All right, and that's about it. And yeah, these cases are really nice. The way you can stack them on top of one another. You know, once you close them up, you can take them and stack them like a tower because of that Lego-looking top. So they'd be kind of nice. You could have them on a shelf somewhere and stack them up as high as you want to go. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. And if you guys like the video, hit that like button and leave a thumbs up, and the subscribe button also. I've got more cars like this coming up, so I'll be showing those videos soon. So take it easy, everybody. Thanks again for stopping by.